Hi, welcome you all. In today's class, we are going to see multiplication max class 3. Multiplying by tens and hundreds. First, we are going to see multiplying by 10. Okay, 3 into 10. So, multiplying by 10. That means, multiplying by 10 means you have to, that is 3 into 10. You are going to multiply by 10 with a particular number. So, the number is 3 into 10. So, you have to write, first you have to write the what? You have to multiply the numbers. Multiplying 10, multiplying by 10. Okay, multiplying by 10. That means there are two numbers are given. The first number is 3, second number is 10. You are going to multiply by 10. That means you are going to multiply multiplying 10 with a particular number. Okay, you are going to multiply 10 with a particular number. The number is 3. The first number is 3, second number is 10. So first you have to multiply the numbers, then you must add the 0. At the end you have to add the 0. So 1 into 3 you can get right, you can get what? 3. Then you must write what? 0. At the end you have to write 0. That means the answer is 30. Okay. Next example is 48 into 10. So what are you going to do? So first number is 48, second number is 10. So you're going to multiply by 10 with a particular number. So first you have to multiply the numbers. 48 into 1, you can get 48. Then you have to add 0 at the end. So the answer is 480. So again, multiplying by tens. So to multiply by tens, write 1 0 at the end and then multiply the remaining numbers. So if you want to, first you have to, in that case you have to what? Multiplying by tens means write 1 0 because how many zeros in the second number? That is, you're going to multiply 18 into 20. 18 is the first number and 20 is the second number. So at the end, what is the number? 0. This is ones and tens. This is ones and tens. So 18 into multiply by what? 20. So it's also because it ends with 0. That is what we are saying, multiplying by tens. So how many tens here? 2 tens. That is what? 20. 2 into 10, you can get 20. So you're going to multiply by 20. So with a particular number, that is 18. First, you have to multiply. So generally, I am saying first you have to multiply the numbers. Then you must add 0. At the end, you have to what? Add 0. Otherwise, as it rules, write 1 0 at the end and then multiplying the remaining numbers. So how many zeros here? Only 1 0. So you write the first 0. First you write the 0. Then you have to multiply the numbers. 18 into 2. So you must write 18, then you are going to multiply by 2. That means, so first you must say the what? 2 table. So how many times you must say? 8 times. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 18 and 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. So you have to write 6. The carryover is go to the what? This is ones and tens. This carryover at the tens place. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 plus 1 3. The answer is 36. So you must write 3 6. The answer is 360. This is the right answer for the question. Right answer for the question. The 18 into 20, that is 360 is right answer. I'll repeat once again. Multiplying by tens means, so this is 20, this is 2 tens, that is 2 into 10, you can get 20. So you're going to multiply 18 into 20. So what you're going to do, first you have to, as the rules, you have to write how many, first you have to see how many zeros in the tens, how many zeros, because 20, 2 and 0. So ones place you have only 1 0. So 1 0 in the ones place. How many zeros here? That is in the 10, because you're going to multiply by tens. First you must see how many zeros tens mean. You must know that very well, only 1 0. So this particular 0, first you have to write at the end. At the end you have to write 0. Then the remaining numbers you have to multiply. So that means you don't get confused and you will not do any mistake. That is the only reason they said write 1 0 at the end and then multiplying the remaining numbers. Otherwise you can do which is your convenience. I am saying the second method only because first you have to multiply the numbers, then you write, then count how many zeros. So only 1 0, you must write the 0 at the end. So which is your convenience, you can choose any one method and do it. Okay, so 18 into 20, that means first you have to write 0, then 18 into 2, so what? Ones and tens, so 18 is going to multiply by 2, you must say the 2 table up to 8, so 2 8s are, you know that very well, that is 16, 6 The remaining 16, that means what is this? This is tens and this is 1. That is 6 ones. This is ones and tens. So 6 ones and 1 10. So 6 you must write in the ones place. The 1, this is 1 10 is carry over to the what? Ones place. 2 ones are 2 or 1 twos are 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. 36. The answer is 360. So multiplying by hundreds. To multiply by hundreds, write the 20 at the end and then multiply the remaining numbers. So 200. So this is ones, tens and hundreds. So multiplying by 100 means here 200s mean 2 into 100. That is what you can get 200. So 200 is going to multiply the number. That is what is the number 3 is given. So first you have to see how many zeros here. So only 2 zeros because 100 means you have that 2 zeros. So you have 2 zeros. So first you write the zeros. Then 2 zeros I have written at the end of the place. Then you have to, the remaining numbers just you have to multiply 2 into 3. So this is ones, tens and hundred. Hundreds place what is the number? 2. So 200 is going to multiply by 3. That means 2 into 3. Already zeros we have taken and we have written. So you have to multiply the remaining numbers. So 2 into 3, that means 6. You know that very well because 1 2s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Otherwise, you must use 3 table. 3 1s are 3 or 3 2s are 6. So the answer is 600. So the answer is 600 is the right answer. So I'll repeat once again, multiplying by hundreds. To multiply hundreds, write 2 zeros at the end and then multiply the remaining numbers. That means 200 is going to multiply by 3. That means first you must see the 100 means you know that very well. 10 means you must add only 1 zero. 100 means you have to add 2 zeros. So that you must see the 2 zeros very carefully and you have to write at the end of the zeros first. Then the remaining numbers you are going to multiply. So 3 into 2 can get 6. So 600 is the right answer for this question.